Burp, all right, listen up. Today we're taking a look at the Chevy crossovers that somehow exist in the same dimension. The all-new 25 Chevrolet Traverse and the freshly evolved 2025 Equinox. One's a big old 3-row family hauler, and the other's a compact two-door with a budget-friendly vibe. But which one's actually worth parking in your sad little suburban driveway? Burp, grab your portal gun, smash that subscribe and like button. Let's get swifty with some crossover science. Alright, buckle up because the 2025 Chevy Traverse is a freaking beast, alright? This thing got a 2.5 liter turbo for banger that spits out 328 horsepower. Yeah, that's right, from a 4-cylinder. A 3-row family-sized Starship with front or all-wheel drive and still manages up to 27 mpg, which is, not total garbage. Starts at 44K, but you get massive 17.7-inch screen, like bigger than most Portals. Now the Equinox, that's your budget-friendly, planet-hopping grocery getter. It's got a 1.5-liter turbo engine, only 175 HP, which, let's be honest, isn't blowing any minds. But hey, it'll get you to blitz and chintzy and back on a tank. Starts under 13K and hits 27 mpg, so it's got the efficiency thing nailed. The Traverse is like the Swiss Army knife of SUVs. You've got teen driver settings, a windshield heads-up collision alert, freaking safety alert seat that buzzes your butt if you're about to crash in a specific direction. Genius! It guzzles more gas than a plutonian ranking game. It costs more than the Equinox by like 10 grand. And only the Z71 gets the drive mode selector, so if you want terrain modes on the cheap, sorry Jerry, you are out of luck. The Equinox might not be as beefy, but it's got some cool tricks. Sorento microvisor seats, fancy, that midnight edition. Slick, rain sense wipers across all trims. Look at Chevy pretending to be luxury. It's efficient, compact, and actually affordable for people who aren't building death rays in their garage. Only seats 5, boo! No Super Cruise double boo. You get a manual driver's seat unless you pay more, and some basic features like wireless charging and a power lifted or MIA unless you upgrade. It's practical. But don't expect to flex it at the Citadel. Traverse, it's the big boy. Comes standard with a giant freaking screen and it's packing features the Equinox can only dream about during its sad little software updates. You can even get it with off-road goodies so you can haul your screaming family through mudder portals or whatever. Downside? Yeah, it's pricier and drinks more fuel than me when I drink. Now, the Equinox, it's compact, only seats 5 puny humans, and it doesn't include the fancy stuff like Super Cruise. What is this, don't age? But I'll give it this, it's got suede seat trim and that slick midnight edition, which makes it look like it's auditioning for a spy movie. Just don't expect it to flex like the Traverse. It's more style than substance. So, which one gets the honor of leaking oil on your driveway, huh? Smash that comment section like it's a portal gun. And let us know, you carbon-based decision makers.